welcome back to Cheesecake Week. I know I do that sing-song thing all the time. You guys are probably sick of it. Sorry, can't help it. All right, as you know, July 30th is National Cheesecake Day. And in celebration, we are doing 2 full weeks of cheesecakes. Don't you love that? I'm so excited. Okay, so today we're going to jump right into our lime cheesecake. Now, I've already got my graham cracker crust ready and cooling right back there, as you can see. And if you want to know how to do that graham cracker crust, just check out the video on the New York style cheesecake, because we'll have that recipe linked for you below. And in that video, I go through the whole demonstration of how to do the graham cracker crust. So to start out our lime cheesecake, we're going to go with 3 softened 8-ounce bricks of cream cheese into the bowl of our big mixer. Now, guys, you know I'm fond of saying this because it's really true. If you don't have a big mixer, that's okay. Don't sweat it. Don't think. Oh my word. Guys, can I just take a moment to say, don't sweat it if you don't have all of these fancy appliances in your kitchen and you don't have this and you don't have that. Don't worry about it. Make it work. You know, Tim Gunn on Fashion Runway, love that.
Project Runway.
Project Runway, sorry, thank you Lance for that. Get my words mixed up. Tim Gunn, I love what he says, just make it work. Love that man. Okay, so, you know what, just make it work. You can do this with a hand mixer, you just want to make sure that all of your ingredients are at room temperature, okay? So we've got our 3 bricks of cream cheese in there. And we're going to get the paddle attached. I mean, that's not the paddle attachment. Goodness sakes. I'm just stumbling over my words today. Get your whiskey attachment. If you have a hand mixer, you don't need to use the whisk attachment on that one because the little beaters on that one will be just fine. Okay? All right. So we're plugged in and we're just going to whisk this with the whisk attachment until it's nice and fluffy and creamy. Okay, I just want to show you guys how fluffy that is. Look at that. See, fluffy and creamy. That's what you want. We're going to scrape down our sides. Remember to go through the bottom of the bowl. We're going to put in our sour cream. And then our lime zest. And we've got about a teaspoon, a generous teaspoon there. And our lime juice. Our honey goes in, and then we add our eggs one at a time. And we want to scrape down our sides to make sure we've got everything going the right direction. And a couple more turns around the bowl. All right, we're going to pour this into our waiting graham cracker crust and into the oven it goes. Okay, guys, we've got our filling ready for our lime cheesecake. All right, ooh, look at that nice lime zest in there. Love it. And guys, you might have realized that all of the fillings of these cheesecakes so far are done with honey, and you know that that's on purpose because we are really watching our intake of white sugar in our household, and so we're doing sugar alternative on these. All of them so far have been. We've got coconut sugar in the crust and honey in the fillings. And that is going to go into a 350 oven for about 45-50 minutes. All right, so our lime cheesecake has been cooled, really lovely, and we're going to unmold it now, and we're going to decorate it and finish it off. Okay, so let's get to the unmolding. You may need to loosen this up on this side over here. I love this pan, but this is the one that came cascading out of the top cabinet and hit the floor and came up off the floor looking like this. So it's had a little bit of help. over the last several months. Okay, see what I mean? We did do a pretty good job of banging out those dents though, didn't we? All right, now, ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, let's get this finished. First of all, we're gonna put on our beautiful lime curd. I think we might need to use a spatula. Also guys, for this lime curd recipe, just go to the triple lemon cake recipe, that video, and make the lemon curd, but substitute lime juice and lime zest for the lemon, okay? And then you got it. All right, so our beautiful lime curd is on, and then we're gonna see about decorating this in a little bit of an abstract way on the sides with key lime Kit Kat bars. I saw these in the store one time, and I've not eaten them because they are real sugar, but I do know Kit Kats are good, so I wanted to try this with the key lime Kit Kat bars. I thought that'd be a lot of fun for this recipe. Right. So my thought process on decorating this cake is to do kind of an eclectic size here of these Kit Kat bars on the edge and make kind of an abstract little edge on this. And then, if all goes well, and we'll see because, you know, creativity in the kitchen is key. So what we want to do, or what I'm trying to do, is once I get this edged out, whoop, whoop, lost one, I want to tie a ribbon around it and bring it all together with a beautiful ribbon for presentation. Kind of looking like Stonehenge, huh?
Actually, I really like it.
I think that's adorable. I just think that's adorable. And we're gonna finish it with our ribbon. I think I like that. Now this is a wired ribbon, which should help us in holding this all together. Let's move these out real quick. Now we've got to kind of judge before we get that on there how much we're going to need, because we're probably going to have a one go at this. All right, I got to look at it. Yeah! Well, I'm pretty happy with that. It's got that very abstract look. I love those just uneven lines of that. This is going to be a lot of fun. And this is going to a party tonight. So how fun is that? So guys, if you're not already subscribed, make sure that you do that so that you can see all the other cheesecake recipes we're uploading for you too. Celebrating National Cheesecake Day, July 30th. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.